stress about nothing.
So did you message back how the cat was?
No, because they're going to the doctor now. So good morning guys. So I'm here in the little study area, and then I'm going to get ready because we're going to the mall to buy to do shopping, to buy shoes, wallet, whatever. And I'm going to Sephora and Daiso, I think. So the mall that we're going is like 30 minutes away from here. So we're just going to catch a bus because we cannot catch a taxi. Last night our taxi fare from the airport
$69.
husband. So last night our taxi fare from the airport going here is around $60. $60? $69. So $69, but since my husband has a taxi subsidy and it's like 50% off, so we pay half of that $69. So I'm still on my bed clothes and I'm going to do a quick makeup, then change outfit. Actually guys, I was so scared because I was looking for my camera in my bag because I'm going to film the breakfast going on in the balcony, but I can't find my camera and I thought I left it in our house. But I go through all my bags and then I found it in a little packet of my what's this, hand carry-on. I was so scared that I was really thinking so hard what I did, what I can find it, why it's not in the bag. But you know, I think something happened. My brain is not functioning early in the morning now. So yeah. Alright, I already like hydrate my face using this Benefit Ultra Radiance Facial Rehydrating Mist. So today I'm going to Sephora and Benefit and Mega Store. I'm going to repurchase this one and the MAC Fix Plus. I will probably get the 2 MAC Fix Plus spray. No reaction, husband. So yeah, and whatever. I will repurchase this one and the 2 MAC Fix Plus, and then the Mario Badescu toner ba yun that Simply Race use it. So Ray said that it's really nice on her skin. I want to try that Mario Badescu. It's available in Mecca Maxima store. Excuse all my hair, it's everywhere guys. So yeah, and then I'm going to buy an expensive, did you hear that, husband? I'm going to buy a high-end blush on. So I'm going to buy a high-end blush on because of all my makeup collection, the blush on I don't have one yet. So I brought my essence here, and I also have that e.l.f. blush on. I'm still like looking a nice blush on, so this one I brought with me also because of the mirror. This is what I'm going to use it right now, the mirror and the blush. So here I got the blush palette. I think this is the light shade. So yeah, so I'm using it here right now. And then I didn't bring anything, like I didn't bring serum with me because it's liquidy. I'm scared that it will just spill in the bag. So what I have right here is my Nivea face cream to make it safe. So I already moisturized my face with this one. And then for my foundation, I will be using this L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour Matte. And then for my concealer, I will be using this Maybelline concealer. I'm on the shade number 20. And then I have my setting spray right here. For my highlighter, I will be using my BLK highlighter in the shade Opal. And for my pressed powder, I will be using the Essence. This is a new one, guys. Yeah, and the sponge. And then I have my Maybelline palette, contour palette. And for my eyeshadow palette, I have with me the BYS Peach palette. That's that. And then I have all my makeup brushes here. I borrowed 2 of the glass in the hotel. So that one. And all my mascaras, Benefit, eyebrow pencil, and all my lippies here. I really brought with me this Clara matte lip cream that my friend Jess Clearer gave me. So this is my like go-to matte lip cream now. So I have with me, I had this shade, it's like pink, nude, and the red. So yeah, and I have my 2 Kiss Me shades right there. And what else? Mascara, lip liners. So yeah, I have my body lotion from Clarins. And what's this one? Shower gel. And this one, the Dove Deo. This is safe for the plane. Because here in Australia, you're not allowed to carry a aerosol type of kilikili spray. So this one is good. And over here, so this is the makeup bag that I use to put all my makeup. So it's empty, and on the side, what's this? Sample size of necessities like toner, makeup remover, facial moisturizer, and my one and only perfume is Coach, and I cannot bring that because it's big, so I have a sample size of that perfume. It's like this video is not makeup anymore, it's a whole video. Oh, what's in my makeup bag? And I have my curling iron with me as well. Sorry. So alright guys, since I showed you all those makeup, then I will be right back when I finish my get ready, and so we'll see you again later guys. So hey guys, now I'm back. I'm done with my hair and my makeup. I didn't do anything with my lips yet because I have this lip product or lip tint that someone got it for me from the Philippines, from the SM department store. So I asked her to buy me a BLK Liptint in the shade pink and cherry, but unfortunately the cherry is out of stock. It sold out quick because that shade is, I think it's Ann Curtis' favorite color, like red, something like that. So I have the BLK lip tint right here. I only got one. So in the Philippines, this is I think TV is too loud. It's 249 pesos. So it's 250 kung i-convert mo na. So I got a shade pink. So I will try this one out. So, hindi ko pa siya na-try. Ang cute ng packaging niya. So, I have my Nivea lip balm here. So, that's the size. Oh, wow! Ang cute ng kanyang packaging. And pink, like clear plastic, and pink yung kanyang print na BLK Cosmetics. Yung lips ko at the moment is very dry because of the cold weather here in Australia. Of course. I will moisturize my lips first using this e.l.f. moisturizing lip product. So that's kinda orangey shade. Yeah, may kulay. Parang lip tint din to, pero hindi siya very obvious. I like the packaging dahil makita mo yung kanyang shade in there. Then I will apply this BLK Liptint. Ooh. So, yan yung kanyang applicator. Ang cute nito. Let's watch muna. That one. And tap, 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 tap. Smells nice. So, wala naming salamin dito. Where is my e.l.f.? Uy, red. Red yung kanyang shade. Oh, okay. It says, here's a stain that stays. Oh, okay. I think that's it. And then, ganyan lang yung hair ko. I will just use my denim jacket like yesterday. And then, I have my hat here that I got from Kmart for... before it's $4 and then it's $3 na lang. So, ganyan siya. So, I will bring this one with me. And that one. So, I don't know which sunnies that I'm going to bring because I have two in here. So, that one. Then, later on, I'll just use this as my headband like that. And then, I have another one. So, this is the one. Don't know which one to bring. So probably I'll bring the Oloton one. I will leave this Louis Vuitton here in the hotel, and yes. Then that's it. I'm done. So yeah. Did you have your shoes on?
Yes.
Okay.
I've been ready for an hour.
Sorry, Landa. I'm working still.
Can't do that tomorrow.
No, hindi. That's why I do it today. At least I have get ready with me. So yeah. But before I go, I'm going to tour you outside. The outside view of our hotel, guys. So yeah. So it's daytime now. So if you wanna watch the night view, you can go to my previous live video last night. So that's the... So yeah. So alright guys, we're going now and we're going to Sephora, Daiso and Kmart to buy the shoes. And my husband will go shopping as well. Alright guys, we'll see you next time. Bye!